Welcome you all in Himachal Darshan. In the series of medicinal plants, today we will go with religious and medicinal plant Tulsi. Tulsi is cultivated for religious and traditional medicinal purposes. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, is easily found plant in India. It is known as age-old ingredient in Ayurveda. The plant is small in size, a herb, hardly 2 to 3 feet in length, can be easily grown in flower pot. This herb is widely used in Ayurvedic remedies to treat numerous health as well as beauty problems. Other than this, it has huge significance in Hindu culture. That is why it is considered to be a holy plant. Every Hindu prefer to grow Tulsi plant in their house. Every part of the plant is useful. Stems, leaves, flower, each and every part of this plant is beneficial in medicinal values also. Holy basil or Tulsi has been used to treat wounds and infections over the years. It is known to have antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and analgesic properties. See, this plant is hardly 2 to 3 feet in height and can be easily grown in pot at home. It can also be used to treat throat infection or acne or mouth ulcer also. If one is having unhealthy skin, and often faces skin problems and infections, Tulsi is most beneficial for those. Tulsi can help detoxifying your skin and keep it clean and healthy. It is also used in case of skin infections. Tulsi is known to have anti-inflammatory properties and is packed with antioxidants which helps in relieving joint pains. It can be a blessing for people who suffers with arthritis. The flowers are grown in this plant. When the seed will get ripen, the small plants will be grown below the main plant. Now we will discuss how to use this tulsi. It is very simple. All you need to take a cup of tea of tulsi. While preparing tea, add 3 to 5 leaves of tulsi. If you are suffering with type 2 diabetes, then adding tulsi to your diet can help to alleviate the symptoms of diabetes and will help in regulating blood sugar. Above all, it is a religious plant grown in all Hindu houses, so medicinal as well as religious plant. So friends, thank you for watching this video.